Current and future applications of wireless fidelity. The success of IEE A02.11b wireless LAN technology is undoubtedly due to the ease of use of technology, the acceptance of standards, the low cost of equipment, and the real need for such services. Client-side equipment is widely available in the credit card side PCMICA. PCMCIA stands for Personal Computer Memory Card International Association. This card format is suitable for laptops and PDAs for less than 100 pounds. This device enables a computer to convert radio signals into data signals in which that the computer will use to enable an internet connection that will be used by the consumer. ISA or Industry Standard Architecture and PCI or Peripheral Component Interconnect cards are also available for some manufacturers for desktop machines. This device provides a Wi-Fi certification for desktop computers that which it helps desktop computers indoors to receive data from a wireless router. Access points costing from 100 pounds to 1,000 pounds depending on functionality typically occupy a footprint no bigger than an A5 sheet of paper and can be wall or ceiling mounted or may be hidden behind TV panels or in cable right into the office. This device enables a place to be a Wi-Fi network, and it provides a Wi-Fi connection that can be used by everybody, um, provided that they are in that place. Next is the and and that's the end of my report. Thank you.
Okay, first thing I am really for this research report about the wireless fidelity. So what I'm going to discuss is about the advantages of the wireless fidelity. Some of the advantages of transition from the cellular mobile environment to the wireless local area network include high bandwidth, local the ubiquity of hotspots, and upload of cellular spectrum. But of course, we all know that Wi-Fi has been already accepted by the country. And what's the reason why it was? Because of the tremendous advantages that it brought to the day-to-day living of the Filipinos. So there's lots more. First, Wi-Fi uses unlicensed radio spectrum and does not require regulatory approval for individual deployers. So for that, it means less effort, less expensive, and less thing to do for the connection of the particular wireless connection. This second one, it allows local area network to be set up in cabling or with cabling. It means that the people in historic buildings, it is more easier for them to have a connection with their particular area because with the wide local area network, it can be too expensive to have that one. And the third one, Wi-Fi is extensively available since it is already in demand nowadays, and all the people are what do you call this? Familiar with that particular communication. Fourth one, Wi-Fi networks can support roaming. That means access one point to another. And lastly, Wi-Fi is that up for global standards. Since it is a global issue today or a global technology today, you can have that all the parts of the world. And second one, of course, if there's an advantage, there's a disadvantage. And one of the disadvantages of Wi-Fi, since it is relatively new, there are lots of things that it does not already improve with the technology. First one, Wi-Fi uses unlike Wi-Fi in terms of interference. Since it is a free access or a free access to connection, there's lots of interference from other sources. So that means of inconsistent connection And of course, the power consumption. Power consumption is relatively high compared to wired local area networks. And the third one, Wi-Fi networks have limited range since it uses 2.4 megahertz with its just a 100 milliwatts. Access points, the third one, access points could be used to steal personal and confidential information to the users. That's one of the dangerous things that a user could experience if he or she is using Wi-Fi connection. And the last, free access points can be used by the malicious